Hey, what's going on? This is Jeff. I am with SSH Drones, and this is
Cherish, and I will be flying a drone for the very first time today. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Alright, so give me that energy again.
This one?
Yeah. Hey. There you go. Alright, awesome. Everything was going so well during Cherish's flight, and then a dog attacked the drone. So we definitely want to encourage folks to keep their dog on a leash.
But there's a leash box. She needs to be put on a leash.
She's fine.
No, she needs to be on a leash.
You look like Chloe. Come on, girl. I will. Come on, Chloe.
Oh,
No.
Wow, so that was
Oh my
a crazy
God.
lane thing, wasn't it?
Right, like guys, that was crazy, like insane, like oh guys.
The dog was about to chew the drone and wouldn't let us land, but
Yeah, like
finally we just got it. So remember, keep your dog on your leash.
yes, definitely. Your drone is not a toy, no matter how cute she is, she's not a toy. Hey everyone, SS Jones family. We are wrapping it up here down in Piedmont Park. It was great. I loved it.
She did awesome for her first flight. So again, the drone just went up and then came back down, so we are doing good. So thank you so much for checking in this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe before you get out of
Comment
here.
below.
And make sure you follow her.
That
and
is at Cherry, C-H-E-R-I, Charmaine, that's C-H-A-R-M-I-N-E.
on Instagram.
Yep.
So this is Jeff. I'm with SSH Jones, and we are out.
Out of here.